As an educator, you deal with so many different things that are really unexpected. Every day for me is different. And I think what Xavier was able to provide for me was a sounding board and a resource that I could utilize to be successful in those situations.
When I applied to the educational administration program, I knew that I needed an in-person experience that was going to give me the opportunity to know more about myself as a leader, as well as connect me to leaders in the field that were great at what they do, but also passionate about being a teacher.
The added value for me in working in Catholic education is partnering with Xavier and taking advantage of their Catholic school educator discount. Then really moving on the Jesuit values and the Catholic education values from an institution that is Catholic really says a lot about the school itself. When I was there, I felt like anytime we would talk about something in the program, it would actually happen at work, and I could apply it directly, which was a great experience and great value for me.
So being in an institution where it's so important to sit in that seat of reflection, to move with love and justice, to care about the whole person, allowed me to know that I would get something more comprehensive than just content. It would actually align with my values and help me live that out more authentically.
The relationships we developed with the professors were so personable. I still have relationships with some of them as mentors, and Dr. Brett Burton has been a great resource for me. I graduated, that didn't mean I stopped learning from him.
So if there's any part of you that wants to learn more about yourself and how you lead from whatever seat you're in, I think that this program is a great way to explore that. Hit your mark in educational administration at Xavier.